Hi everyone! Today I am sharing with you a recipe for savory crepes stuffed with meat. They are great to make ahead of freezer meal. Make them for breakfast, lunch or dinner. They'll be a hit any time of day. So let's get started! First, prepare the meat filling. Chop 1 small onion. Then heat a skillet with 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Place 1 pound of ground meat. Use any kind you like. And cook over medium heat. Break up large chunks with a wooden spoon. When the meat is no longer pink, add the chopped onion. Salt and pepper to taste. Stir well, cover with a lid and cook over low heat about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the filling is ready, transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down. While the filling is cooking, let's make the crepe batter. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Then add 2 medium eggs and gradually whisk in 2 cups of milk. Mix until smooth. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil or any oil you prefer. And mix everything again. Cover and let the batter rest about 10 minutes. Now heat a non-stick skillet and pour about 1 small ladle of butter. Tilt the pan from side to side to form an even circle. Cook over medium heat about 1 minute per side or until lightly browned. Remove from the skillet. Stock the crepes on a plate and cover with a tea towel, while you cook the remaining crepes. Place about 2 tablespoons of meat filling on each crepe and roll it up tightly. And that's it. Our crepes are ready to serve and enjoy. You can serve them warm or cold. They taste amazing with sour cream, but feel free to add your favorite sauce. I hope you give this recipe a try, and thank you so much for watching.